So in this video, we are going to set up the mobile app manager. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section and select under the sales channel section. We go ahead and then select the mobile app option. So we select this mobile apps option. So here you can see the mobile app manager. So we have about 6 sections. So we have the push notification section. So this is where you send push notification to mobile app users. So to do that, you click on this button to send the push notification. So the next section we have is the home page layout section. So this is where you set up the layout for the mobile app page, especially the home page. So the next section we have is the payment method section. So here we can adjust the payment method settings that will be used in the mobile app. So the next section we have is the push notification settings. So here we can set up the Firebase server key to enable us send push notifications. We can also enable the other status updates and abandon cart notification using these options. So the next section is the information pages. So here we can set up information page that will be displayed in the mobile app. So you can add more pages using this button. So the next section we have is the general settings section. So here we can enable and disable the mobile app manager module. We can also enable additional modules like the spin and win module if it's installed. We can also adjust the app button color and the app theme color using these settings. So let's say we want to adjust the homepage layout of the mobile app. To do that, we select the homepage layout option and then we proceed to set up the default homepage layout. So for us to find out which one of these layouts is default homepage layout for the mobile app, we navigate to the general settings section and then we scroll down to you look at it here. So we search this. So currently the home layout is the active default store shopping app layout. So we need to edit it. So to edit it, we go back to the homepage layout section and then we click on the edit button. So here you can see the homepage layout settings. So currently we have 5 modules that have been set up in the home page. We can add more modules using the plus button here. So let's say we want to add a new banner grid module to the homepage layout. We go ahead and click on this button. So you see that it has been added as you can see in the preview section. So we proceed to edit. So in the edit page, we can add a header. Let's say we call this trending products, or we call it whatever name we want. So after we add the name, we click on the save button. As you can see, it has been saved. So we proceed to add the first banner. So we select it here. So let's say we select this as the first banner. So we go ahead and select the redirect action. So we say that once user click it, it opens, let's say, a category. So we go ahead and choose the category. So once we have selected this, we click on the plus button. So let's proceed. As you can see, it has been added. Here, you can see it in the app preview page. So we add the second banner. Select this as the second banner. So we leave the content model as this. Proceed to this one. We are going to link it to a product. So we go ahead and let's select this product, and then we add it. So you can see it has been added. So let's say these are the only two banners we'll add. So we proceed and close this. So we can drag this to the top, or we leave it at the bottom. So let's drag it up here above the countdown timer module. So you see that it has been added. So now that we have set up the banner grid module, we can proceed to set up other modules the same way we did for the banner grid. So let's go back to the mobile app manager page. So this is an example on how to modify the homepage layout. So let's say we want to adjust the general settings. So we go back to the general settings page. We can proceed to disable the WhatsApp chat support. We can also proceed to enable the logo. So let's say we want to enable the logo. We can do this, but we'll not do this here. So let's also say we want to, change the app background color. So let's go ahead and do this. So we change this from white. Let's say we want to change it to yellow. So we go ahead and select this. Once we do that, we save. So now once it's saved, so now the app background color has been adjusted, as you can see in the preview page. So let's go back and change it back to white. So select this, we go ahead and change it back, and then we save. So now the app background color has been changed back to the white color. So let's say we want to add additional information pages. We select this option. So go ahead and click on this button. So this will open the page, the information pages list page. So you can see the available information page. So to add a new one, we click on the add button. We call this tests page. We say this is a tests page. Add the meta tag title. This is for SEO, search engine optimization purpose. So we leave these other options. We proceed to the next section. So in the data section, we add the SEO keyword. Call this test page. We can enable the footer menu, but we won't do that. So we proceed to save. So now that we've added this page, the next thing we have to do is to navigate back to the mobile app manager page. So to do that, we navigate to the sales channel section and select mobile apps. So we'll now proceed to set the information page. So we navigate to the information page section. As you can see that it has been added. So we can proceed to enable it by clicking the enable option and then save. So for us to check if this is active, let's check the mobile app. So we select it. So we go ahead and expand the page. So we check the home page. So here you can see that if we scroll down, you can see that it has been added. So let's go back. So we can also delete the information page. If we want to do that, we proceed to disable it. And then once it's disabled, we can navigate back to the information page section and then tick the option and delete it. So let's go back to the mobile app manager page, scroll down and then select it. So if we want to send push notification to the app users, to do that, let's hide the preview. We click on the send notification button. So here we'll fill the notification form. We say test message as the title. The message, we say this is a test message. So here we can proceed to add an image. It can be a product. So let's say we add this. So we select the devices. If we want to send it either to Android app users or iOS app users, or send it to both the Android and iOS app users. So for this example, I'll send it to the Android app users. So once I select the device, I proceed to set the redirect activity. So let's say when users tap on the message, if we want it to link to a product, so we select the product option and proceed to choose the product. So we go ahead and send. So now the push notification has been sent. So once it's sent, it will be saved here. So you can see the push notification has been saved. So let's go ahead and view it. So this is it. So in this example, I've shown you how to set up the mobile app manager and how to send push notifications and add information pages to your store mobile apps. Thank you for watching.